1. Natural hair mask for white hair reversal. This mask deeply nourishes the scalp, darkens hair naturally, and prevents further graying. Ingredients: 1. Amla powder, Indian gooseberry, 2 tablespoons, rich in vitamin C, prevents white hair. 2. Henna powder, 2 tablespoons, natural hair colorant, strengthens hair. 3. Curry leaves paste, 2 tablespoons, boosts melanin production. 4. Black tea water, 1/2 cup, darkens hair naturally. 5. Aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon, moisturizes and soothes scalp. 6. Yogurt, 1 tablespoon, strengthens roots, prevents dandruff. 7. Lemon juice, 1 teaspoon, balances scalp pH, prevents premature aging. How to apply: 1. Mix all ingredients into a smooth paste. 2. Apply to your scalp and hair, covering all strands. 3. Leave it on for 1 to 2 hours. 4. Wash off with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. 5. Use once a week for best results. 2. Herbal hair oil for reversing white hair. This oil deeply nourishes the scalp, improves blood circulation, and helps bring back natural hair color. Ingredients: 1. Coconut oil, 1/2 cup, strengthens hair, prevents premature graying. 2. Black sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons, restores natural hair color. 3. Curry leaves, 10 to 15 leaves, boosts melanin production. 4. Amla, Indian gooseberry, powder or fresh amla pieces, 2 tablespoons, prevents white hair. 5. Fenugreek seeds, methi, 1 tablespoon, strengthens hair roots. 6. Castor oil, 1 tablespoon, thickens hair, prevents breakage. How to prepare and use: 1. Heat coconut oil on low flame. 2. Add black sesame seeds, curry leaves, amla, and fenugreek seeds. 3. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes until the ingredients release their essence. 4. Strain the oil and store it in a glass bottle. 5. Massage this oil into your scalp 3 times a week before bedtime and wash off in the morning. 3. Additional lifestyle and diet tips for preventing white hair. Checkmark: eat iron and vitamin B12 rich foods, spinach, almonds, eggs, dairy. Checkmark: drink amla juice daily, boosts melanin production. Checkmark: avoid excessive stress, practice yoga and meditation. Checkmark: use a wooden comb, prevents hair breakage and maintains scalp health. Checkmark: stay hydrated and avoid junk food. By following this hair mask plus oil plus healthy diet, you will notice less white hair, stronger roots, and naturally darker, healthier hair over time. Herb sparkles.